This is the aim for this session, a beveled structure that maybe looks like a covered escalator at a railway station. So I'll extend or scale out this block, edit mode 2, edge select, drag it down, something like that, a loop cut, Control R, and let's say we have, was I talking about 3 of them, something like that. Okay, that's fine, and accept those. Grab these, move that down a bit, maybe move this one, exaggerate that one down. Let's say that's it. I know it doesn't look like the original, but that will do. Grab these 4 edges and these 4 edges all at the same time. So do a shift, keep clicking, then the other side, then a Control B for a bevel. Scroll the mouse wheel to increase the number of segments, and I won't go right to the edge, right to the center, something like that maybe, and accept it, and then just scroll around a bit. That's it.